if you are a beginner-friendly wig-wearing mother jumper. Oh, girl, I don't know how to do it. I ain't doing that yet. What I'm supposed to do with this? This. Thank you so much for joining me again. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. I am back with a new unit from UNice Hair. So we're back. We're talking all things UNice Hair, and they so graciously came through and provided us with this air wig. Okay, so this is a new pre-plucked, pre-cut technology that we're getting here. This is a 7x5 lace closure. Okay, look at how beautiful this is. The baby hairs are already in there, which I'm kind of excited about. This is a 24-inch, 180%, and she is giving thick. THIQUE, justice for thick wig. Okay, this is hair. Okay, it's nice and soft. It is on a breathable cap. Okay, perfect for the summertime. She has 2 combs on the side. One in the back. It comes with that latex band again, so we can throw her up in a pony, okay, as well as an adjustable band. Let me just throw her on and see what she's working with. God, I love these wigs. Now, the lace does need to be colored a bit. That's just being honest, okay? But that's an easy fix. I'm just brushing her down. We're just going to style her up real quick because that's all she calls for. Mother is on. She's on. Is the mic on? Because Mother is on. So she does need to be darkened up a bit. I do love that she is bleached. You have no idea. Bleach knots just make a bit of a difference. But what would kill this is if I darkened up the lace. That would just really light this on fire. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to shut my Mimi Tap mouth. And I'm going to get this wig together. All right, my loves, let's dig on in to the goodies that were so graciously provided to us by UNice Hair. So we have our wig bag as well as our wig band, our makeup brush, and wig cap and lashes. So I'm just going on through. Hold on, I forgot the robe, ho. I forgot the robe. I need to darken up this Mimi Tatum wig, okay? Because she was giving very much Gwyneth Paltrow, and I'm giving very much Lupita, okay? 2 different ancestors, if you're picking up what I'm putting down. So now that she's black, like me, and not like that, okay? Like this, not like that, I'm just going to throw her right up on my Mimi Tatum head. Just because I want to get right into it. Now, I used another cap to take off the excess makeup. Sometimes that's a way you have to get in there and kind of do that as well. So that's just an option for you guys if you find yourself using a little bit too much. I'm brushing out these waves, okay? Y'all ever get a body wave wig and then you brush out the waves and then you be annoyed that you brushed out the waves, but you had to brush out the waves? That's kind of what I was going through. So I'm using my Andy straightening comb to kind of heat this Mimi Tatum up and lay her flat. Okay, flat. So I'm going through and I'm going to just take some time, pull out these baby hairs. They're giving very much elderly hairs. Andrea, that was for you. It's very much giving teenage baby hairs. All right, teenage hairs. That's what they are, pubics. So I'm just going on through. I use my flat iron because I want to give a flat body wave curl. So flat at the top, curl at the bottom. You picking up what I'm putting down? So I'm going to go on through. I'm going to use my Babyliss wand curler and get Mother all the way together. So I'm just going to go all the way through, adding these curls as I go. I'm taking major sections because it's just easier to do it that way. Let me tell you something. Wand curling your hair takes next to no time, and you can use larger sections, which is why that's how we styling this hair up today. So I'm, again, going to go on through with my Babyliss wand curler. You can find this on my Amazon storefront. It'll be linked below. And I'm getting this Mammy Tatum wig all the way together. We want some flat curls, and I'm going to give it to you, baby. So this unit is very, very big head friendly, which I appreciate it. It was a little over bleached for me. They give you more than enough baby hairs. They give you the teenagers, the adults. They give you the elderly hairs, if you're picking up what I'm putting down. So you don't really have to worry about how this is going to fit, because it's quite literally a bucket hat, okay? So I'm going to show my Mammy Tatum mouth. I'm going to let y'all get on into this review. Let me know how you feel about this. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side. Okay, my love, so we are back with this UNice wig. I actually had to film this twice because I feel like my mood was sucking. I didn't want to give y'all that stinking ass energy. So I'm back. UNice so graciously provided us this body wave air wig. She's 180% density. She comes with baby hairs already up in her. You already know I'm not cutting no baby hairs in. I ain't doing it. So for them to bring it to us and give it to us like such, so we could plop her up on our Mammy Tatum heads, I'm appreciative. I don't know about you, but I am. So this unit is 180% density. She's 24 inches. She's currently going for just under $300, which I think is absolutely appropriate for this unit. The texture of the hair is beautiful, okay? It did not shed. It didn't tangle much. And they probably tangled because of the way I was kind of working through. You saw how I had to get all this wig together, whatever the case may be. But I do think that that has a reason why it tangled up a bit. Now, I would not change anything about this unit. I did go through and darken up the part. I used a little bit of my Sky High Maybelline mascara just to where I felt it was over bleached. I just went through and tapped. You know what I mean? Because I wanted a more of a seamless look, as you guys can see, around that part. I really, really did. I just thought it makes for a better look. You know what I mean? I am really happy with how this unit turned out. I think she's really, really pretty. I love the thickness. Mother is thick, okay? Justice for thick. Justice for thick. I'm obsessed with this unit. I just went through and added a little bit of curls in her. Nothing major. She took the curls perfectly. I kind of love that they just started at the bottom and now they're here. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? Started at the bottom, now they're here. Okay? I really do love this unit. I'm not going to lie. I think this technology, this air wig technology, is really a new wave. If you are a beginner-friendly wig wearing mother jumper. Oh girl, I don't know how to do it. I ain't doing that yet. What I'm supposed to do with this? This. What are you supposed to do with a wig? You're supposed to buy an air wig. Because this unit is phenomenal. UNice hair really came through and made it super easy for you to have a seamless install. Okay? Quite literally all you have to do is throw her on your head. She basically a baseball cap. You know what I mean? So for me, I think that there is no other, right now, this technology, we went from the pre-cut, you know what I mean, plucked wig, nail pre-cut, bleached, plucked, baby hairs, baby. Y'all better step y'all cookies up because these wigs is getting easier and easier to do. This was a hat. That's why I had to change my attitude because I'm like, Heifer, I know you ain't mad. You just threw a hat up on your Mammy Tatum head. So let me tell you something. My name is Intisar Eleanor. Do me a favor. bust down, subscribe to this channel. Check out what UNice has on their website. They're going to be having a big sale soon, and you guys need to be a part of that because this unit is phenomenal. It, honestly, under $300, yes. Yes, you sending your baby off to school and you know you're going to get her one. Yes. Yes. Okay? This is what you do. So I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. Again, thank you so much for joining me. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye.